So this in front of me here is the brand new Dewalt bandsaw. It's the DCS374. Now, immediately, the first thing to tell you is that it's the biggest ever Dewalt bandsaw. It's got the largest cutting capacity of 5 inches. Now, that number is important because it basically now means that it can be suitable for most common applications and materials. So it's likely that this will be the only bandsaw that you actually need in your toolkit. Breaking down the bandsaw itself then, first thing to tell you is it's an 18-volt brushless tool. You're getting really good power out of it. Main benefit of this one is that it's actually got a toolless blade change. You can see right there, that's where the blade can come in and come out when you need to get it changed. Now, elsewhere on the tool, this here is the tensioning arm, so you can make sure that your blade is nice and tight. It's got a handy LED light on the front, so you can make sure that your work surface is always illuminated. Make sure you can get those nice clean cuts that you'd use a bandsaw for. This is an adjustable handle, so being the biggest bandsaw yet from Dewalt, it is naturally a bit more heavy. It will carry a bit more weight, but with this handle here, it's more ergonomic, and this is really nicely balanced as well. So you can make sure it doesn't feel like you're really labouring with a heavy tool when you're using it. It's got 5 different speed settings, so if you're cutting a harder material such as steel, then you can set that speed nice and low so you don't risk overheating on the material, but you can still increase that speed again if you're cutting something like aluminium or copper or plastics, anything like that, to make sure that you're still getting the right speed for the cuts that you're going to make. Other than that, it's got a handy storage hook on the back here, so obviously it's a bulky tool, so when you're storing it away, that's a nice way that you can get that put away for you. Now, the main benefit of a bandsaw is, of course, you're getting fast, clean cuts through a variety of really tough materials, your metals, your plastics, anything like that that you actually need to. And another benefit is the fact that you're getting a spark-free cut every time. So if you're an engineer, you're a plumber, HVAC engineer, or loads of other uses for it, this bandsaw should be an essential part of your toolkit. It's the new Dewalt DCS374 and it's available now at its.co.uk.